Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to let y'all know, first, I'm wowhead. Second of all, if you like this video, I mean, you don't even have to do it right now, but if you like this video, like the content, you want to see more of it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. Thanks guys, here's the video. What's up guys, wowhead here, coming at you with a different kind of video today. I'm pretty excited about this video because I get to share a lot about my passions with y'all, and what I did to achieve those, because quite frequently lately, no, quite recently, no, frequently recently, I don't know. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions on, really it's 3 different topics, and they are very different topics. The first one has to do with how to become a successful streamer in WoW, or I want to stream WoW, how do I do it? The first question revolves around that. The second one, how do I build a community while streaming? And the third one is if I have any tips or tricks about building and growing a stream and getting an audience fast. Now, those of us that stream know that none of these happen overnight. None of them. So, how do you do them? Okay? Let's go ahead and take the first one and break it down. I want to stream WoW. I want to be successful. How do I do it? Well, there's unlimited different versions of success that anybody could say at any given time. So I'm just going to tell you my outlook on it, and you can do with it what you want. If it helps you, great. If not, sorry to have wasted your time, but I'm just trying to address some of these questions that have been asked to me rather frequently, and I would love to be able to point people in the right direction. Having a video about it, I feel like it'd really help. So, the first one. I'm streaming WoW. How do I become successful? How do I stream WoW? Well, I'm just going to tell you a couple of things that I think are important about streaming WoW, or just really streaming in general, because I feel like these points can be carried to whatever game you want. I play WoW, so I'm making this WoW specific. I feel like you can translate these points to any different game that you want to play, or a different category, so on and so forth. So one of the first things I think about is you want to focus on your engagement of chat and the people that are in your audience, because let's think about it like this. Okay, say you go into a stream and you see a streamer and he's just sitting there staring at the screen. He's staring forward. He's, typing on his keyboard. He never looks at the camera. He never looks over and says anything to chat. And then let's think about a streamer that, well, the first streamer, he's not paying attention to chat, so he doesn't see that you just typed, right? And then let's think about the second streamer as somebody that you come into their channel, you type something in chat, and he looks over, he greets you, he says your actual username, he maybe asks you a question about, hey, how was your day? Thanks, and he thanks you for coming to his channel. And just think about those 2 streamers and tell me which one you're more likely to stay in the stream at. And the question pretty much answers itself. The engagement, the engaging chat, and just paying attention to your viewers in general. That would be one of my first points. I think one of the second points would be giving, okay, and this is more of a specific point, would be giving people the reason, like your value. I think it would be your value or the reason that they are staying there and watching you, the reason that they come to watch you, the reason that they stay. What is your value to them? What do you provide them that they come to your stream for? And I feel like that's very WoW specific. So for me, I am a big Mythic Plus streamer. I do carries for my community and stuff like that. Like, I'm decent at the game, and I help others that are not so, and I do it a lot. And I in turn have built a community, and you know, there already is a very niche community around it, but you know, I have one now specific to me, and that I have built, you know, shaped in my image and my brand, you know, the way that I portray my brand is how my community is shaped, essentially. So you want to make sure, you want to first find your reason why you are a value to your viewers. I guess, yeah. I'm going to stick with that. And then one of the last points I want to talk about is, this is one that's very important, I think. I think this is one of my most important things. And it's making your viewers feel like they are included. And not just included in, you know, chat and engagement, included in your success, included in, you know, God forbid, your failures, but, you know, you're a team. You want to think of them as such. And I feel like this is different than engagement in the sense that you're not just talking to them there. It's like you hit 4,000 followers and you go, I did it, I got 4,000 followers, that was all me, good job, you know, like GG, it was me. You're using you're using me. Or you hit 4,000 followers and you look at your community and you're like, we did it, good job guys, we did this together, thank y'all so much for helping me build this, thank y'all so much for helping me achieve my dreams, helping me, you know, let's celebrate, you know, like, and revel in the success together with your community that you built. And doing that provides an added value for the people that are there to be there. They now feel part of your success, and they feel good. It's a celebration. It's excited. You know, you might stir up a hype train, or you know, people might start going off, and who knows. But I feel like it's very important for you to include your community, include your viewers, and you can pretty much carry this to any game. Doesn't have to be WoW specific. And I think that I said that was the last point, but I have one more point to add, because this is about WoW. These other things that I've elicited are very important as well. But to answer the question on how to stream WoW, I feel like you need to find your niche. You need to find if you're just starting off, being broad about your stream is very, very difficult to gain a following. Because if you get a follower one day and you're streaming Mythic Plus, and then the next day that same follower comes back and you're streaming Raid, and that person doesn't like Raid, you know, they might leave your channel, they might never come back. So that's why I say be niche, in a sense that you need to find something that is what you want to build around. You need to put a foundation down. I'm not saying that you need to be niche and very narrow about your streaming later on, but when you're building your initial community, I feel like it's easier if you're consistent on a topic. Mine was Mythic Plus. I was decent at the game. I started doing carries to bring people to my stream. And then there it is. So, you know what I'm saying? You need to focus on what you want to be mainly streaming to build your initial community, so that you can decentralize with your streams, and you know, people will stay. You will still have people there, which is your base community support, like your baseline of viewers that are going to be there no matter what you're doing. any day, all the time. So I think this is enough for this one. I'm going to go on to the next topic because I don't want to make this video very long. So